Hi traders, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be having a look at some of the top 5 best BPay Forex brokers. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. BPay Forex brokers are brokers that accept BPay as a payment method for deposits, primarily catering to Australian traders. This allows for secure, fast, and convenient funding of trading accounts, while offering the usual Forex trading features like currency pairs, leverage, and trading platforms. BPay provides an easy way for Australian traders to manage their trading funds within the trusted Australian banking system. Traders who are searching for some of the best BPay Forex brokers can sometimes find it to be a difficult process, especially when searching for a safe, reliable, and trustworthy broker to trade with. So in this video, we are going to be having a look at some of the top 5 best BPay Forex brokers. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have FP Markets. FP Markets is a leading online trading provider, offering access to a wide range of financial instruments, including Forex, CFDs, and commodities. With a commitment to transparency, innovation, and client satisfaction, FP Markets provides traders with cutting-edge technology, competitive pricing, and superior execution. Established in 2005, FP Markets has grown into a globally recognized brand, serving clients in over 150 countries. Through its user-friendly platforms and comprehensive educational resources, FP Markets empowers traders of all levels to navigate the financial markets with confidence. FP Markets offers a range of advanced trading platforms designed to cater to the diverse needs of traders. These platforms include the MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, WebTrader, CTrader, TradingView, and the FP Markets mobile trading application, with advanced trading tools and copy trading functionality. FP Markets offers a range of account types tailored to meet the diverse needs of traders. These accounts include the standard and raw trading account types, with demo and Islamic account options. Regardless of the account type chosen, FP Markets is committed to providing traders with superior execution, transparent pricing, and exceptional customer service. The broker also offers a robust suite of educational resources tailored to empower traders of all levels to navigate the financial markets confidently. Their educational hub, accessible through their website, features a diverse range of material, including articles, tutorials, videos, and webinars covering various topics such as strategies, technical analysis, risk management, and market insights. Whether traders are novices seeking foundational knowledge or seasoned professionals looking to refine their strategies, their educational resources are designed to support continuous learning and growth in the trading journey. Overall, FP Markets stands as a trusted and innovative online trading provider, offering a comprehensive suite of services and resources to empower traders worldwide. With a commitment to transparency, excellence, and client satisfaction, FP Markets provides access to cutting-edge technology, competitive pricing, and superior execution. Whether you are new to the world of online trading or a seasoned professional, the broker's user-friendly platforms, extensive product range, and educational resources ensures that traders have the tools and support needed to succeed in the dynamic world of financial markets. At number 4 on our list is IC Markets. IC Markets stands as a renowned financial institution committed to providing cutting-edge trading solutions for a diverse clientele. With a solid foundation in the financial markets, IC Markets has established itself as a leading broker, offering a wide array of trading instruments and services. Their global presence ensures accessibility for traders worldwide, while their commitment to innovation and transparency sets them apart in the dynamic world of online trading. IC Markets offers a diverse and comprehensive range of trading instruments, catering to the varied needs of traders in the global financial markets. Traders can access a wide spectrum of assets, including Forex currency pairs, commodity CFDs, indices, bonds, cryptocurrencies, stocks, and futures. The broker ensures that their trading instruments incorporate the latest financial products, and the platform's versatility allows traders to explore and capitalize on various market movements, making IC Markets a preferred choice for those seeking a robust and dynamic trading experience across multiple asset classes. IC Markets provides trading platforms which are designed to cater to the diverse needs of traders, from beginners to experienced professionals. And these platforms are namely the IC Markets proprietary trading platform, MetaTrader 4, and MetaTrader 5, as well as CTrader, with social trading functionality and a diverse range of tools. Their trading platforms are designed to cater to the diverse trading preferences and styles of their clientele, solidifying their position as a leading provider in the online trading industry. As a globally recognized broker, IC Markets offers a versatile array of trading account types to cater to the distinctive preferences of traders around the world. These include the raw spread, standard, and Islamic accounts, with demo account options. With these diverse account options, IC Markets ensures that traders have the flexibility to choose an account that aligns with their individual trading preferences and strategies. Whether prioritizing tight spreads, commission-free trading, or the innovative capabilities of CTrader, IC Markets aims to empower traders with tailored solutions for a dynamic trading journey. The broker also recognizes the importance of education in empowering traders to make better informed decisions. And the platform offers a comprehensive suite of educational resources to enhance the trading knowledge and skills of its users. Traders can access a variety of educational material, including video tutorials, articles, webinars, and market analysis, all aimed at enhancing their understanding of the financial markets. Overall, IC Markets stands as a preeminent global broker committed to providing a cutting-edge and inclusive trading experience. With a robust range of trading instruments, versatile platforms, and diverse account types, IC Markets caters to the unique preferences and needs of traders worldwide. They continue to set industry standards, offering a gateway to the world of online trading with sophistication and reliability. Coming in at number 3, we have CMC Markets. CMC Markets has been in operation since 1989 and is one of the most reputable online brokers in the United Kingdom. CMC Markets is a multi-award-winning market maker that has regulation and authorization in several regions. CMC Markets is one of the few brokers that is listed on the London Stock Exchange, and throughout the years, the broker has become a leading and trusted provider of CFD financial instruments and spread betting options. Specializing in trading and offering services through more than 9,000 tradable instruments, covering Forex, indices, cryptocurrencies, commodities, shares, and treasuries. Featured platform is available on the MetaTrader 4 trading platform, as well as their very own next-generation trading platform and mobile applications, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts are available on CFD and corporate accounts, with no minimum deposits, lower spreads, access to over 9,000 products, 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, customer support, and so much more. CMC Markets also provides their very own educational learning center, which includes beginner's guides to Forex trading and strategies, a variety of webinars you can sign up to, as well as a comprehensive list of trading ebooks for you to browse through if you are looking to expand your trading knowledge with CMC Markets. At number 2 on our list is Vantage FX. Vantage FX is a transparent and secure broker, regulated with the ASIC and FINMA. With Vantage FX, traders receive constant support through TeamViewer, fast and easy account opening, access to a range of features such as the Chart IQ platform, Zulu Trade for social trading, and more. Vantage FX specializes and provides services in trading through Forex, indices, energies, soft commodities, precious metals, and share CFDs. Available platforms are supported on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, Zulu Trade, as well as the Vantage FX mobile application, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts are provided on standard STP, RAW, and Pro ECN accounts, with up to 44 tradable currency pairs, lower minimum deposits, lower spreads, and more. Vantage FX also provides their very own educational panels, which delve into a variety of educational topics, such as an overview of Forex trading, beginner's guides, manuals and video tutorials in MetaTrader functionality, and more for you to browse through if you are looking to expand your trading knowledge with Vantage FX. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best BPay Forex brokers, we have Pepperstone. Pepperstone is a highly regulated, low-risk Forex broker that offers competitive trading conditions with tight spreads guaranteed. This broker has been in the Forex industry for more than a decade and offers 2 flexible account types, in addition to demo accounts and swap-free accounts. With Pepperstone, you can diversify your investment portfolio with more than 1,200 instruments and enjoy all the tools and features offered by the MetaTrader 4 and 5 trading platforms, as well as the CTrader trading platform. Pepperstone provides plenty of helpful articles for beginners, along with weekly video updates, price forecasts, and so much more. Pepperstone offers 2 main trading accounts with institutional-grade spreads, an active trader program, demo accounts, and swap-free accounts. All trading accounts allow hedging, scalping, and the use of expert advisors. Pepperstone uses a no-dealing desk broker that also offers premium benefits for professional traders. Pro clients have access to higher leverage referral rewards and dedicated account managers. Pepperstone provides the Razor account, which offers spreads starting at 0 pips and is recommended for scalpers and algorithmic traders. The Standard account is a beginner-friendly account with spreads starting from 0.6 pips. The Pepperstone Demo account can be used on MetaTrader 4 and 5 as well as CTrader, and you can also specify the type of account you would like to try in a risk-free environment. Their swap-free accounts are suitable for clients of the Muslim faith and offer spreads starting at 1 pip, along with support for scalping, hedging, and expert advisor trading. Their active trader program is designed for high-volume traders and comes with virtual private server hosting and advanced insights and reports. Platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, as well as the CTrader trading platform. They also provide some helpful trading tools, such as Smart Trader tools for MetaTrader 4 and 5, AutoChartist, MyFX Book, MetaTrader Signals, and DupliTrade for social trading. If you are new to trading, Pepperstone offers plenty of helpful trading guides and articles, educational webinars, and the option to copy the trades of professionals. You can also use a demo account to learn how to trade and practice different strategies. Pepperstone is an award-winning, no-dealing desk forex broker that offers competitive, beginner-friendly trading accounts. With this broker, you can trade over 1,000 instruments on 3 of the most popular trading platforms in the market. You will have access to a variety of trading tools and plenty of market insights, market news, and educational resources to help you get started. And those are some of the top 5 best BPay Forex brokers on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.